More and more adults over 50 are adding a small amount of peanut butter to their evening routine before bed. And when you look at the biology behind it, what the body is actually doing overnight after 50, and what specific compounds peanut butter provides, the reasoning is more specific than it might initially sound. Today I am going to walk through what the research shows about a small peanut butter snack before bed for adults over 50, the mechanisms behind it, who it genuinely helps, who should be cautious, and the right way to do it for maximum benefit. Sleep is not a passive state. It is one of the most metabolically active periods of your day. During sleep, your body repairs micro-damage in muscle tissue fiber by fiber. The brain clears waste products accumulated during waking hours. Growth hormone surges, and this surge is the primary driver of tissue repair and cellular recovery overnight. After 50, several of these processes become less efficient. Growth hormone output during sleep declines. Muscle recovery slows, a phenomenon researchers call anabolic resistance, where muscles require more protein delivered more strategically to achieve the same repair response as in younger years. And blood sugar becomes significantly less stable overnight. A large-scale review published in Sleep Medicine Reviews found that adults over 50 experience meaningfully more nighttime glucose fluctuations compared to younger adults. And these fluctuations directly disrupt deep sleep cycles. Here is the mechanism. When blood sugar drops too low in the early morning hours, the body releases cortisol and adrenaline to pull stored glucose back into circulation. These stress hormones are enough to pull you out of deep sleep. Not dramatically, but enough to fragment your sleep architecture and leave you feeling unrestored in the morning, even after 7 or 8 hours in bed. What you eat in the 30 to 60 minutes before bed directly influences all of these processes. A poorly chosen evening snack can destabilize blood sugar. The right one can support it through the night. Peanut butter has a combination of properties that make it particularly well-suited to the overnight physiology of adults over 50. Its glycemic index is very low, meaning it does not spike blood sugar quickly and crash it. Instead, it releases energy slowly and steadily over several hours. The combination of protein, healthy fat, and a modest amount of complex carbohydrate produces exactly the kind of sustained glucose release that keeps the body's overnight repair processes running without triggering the stress hormone response that disrupts sleep. Think of it as placing a slow-burning fuel source in the system before the overnight work begins, something that holds steadily rather than flaring and fading. The protein content, approximately 7 to 8 grams per 2 tablespoons, also matters, specifically at night. A landmark study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that consuming protein before sleep significantly improved overnight muscle protein synthesis in older adults. The muscle rebuilt itself more effectively during the night when protein was available in the hours before. And peanut butter contains tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as the precursor to serotonin and then melatonin. The healthy fats in peanut butter help tryptophan cross the blood-brain barrier more efficiently. A study in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that evening dietary fat intake was positively associated with tryptophan availability in the brain, directly supporting melatonin synthesis in older adults. One compound in peanut butter deserves specific attention: magnesium. 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter contains approximately 49 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for calming heart rate and preparing the body for rest. It also regulates GABA, a neurotransmitter that quiets neural activity and supports the transition into and maintenance of sleep. Research estimates that up to 75% of American adults do not consume adequate magnesium from diet alone. A review in Magnesium Research found that low magnesium levels were strongly associated with insomnia, nighttime muscle cramps, and poor sleep efficiency, specifically in adults over 50. Peanut butter is not a magnesium supplement, but as part of a consistent evening habit. The magnesium it provides contributes meaningfully to the overnight calming effect alongside its blood sugar and protein benefits. Waking in the early hours with a quietly grumbling stomach, not dramatically hungry, just uncomfortable enough to prevent returning to deep sleep, is more common after 50 than most people realize. After 50, hunger hormones shift. Ghrelin, the hormone signaling hunger, becomes more sensitive. Leptin, the hormone signaling satiety, becomes less effective. This is a documented biological change, not a behavioral one. The protein in peanut butter directly suppresses ghrelin. Studies from the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a small, protein-containing snack before bed reduces overnight ghrelin spikes, keeping the hunger signal quieter through the night. The fat content slows gastric emptying, extending the satisfied feeling without heaviness. The goal is not a full snack. It is a small, specific amount, enough to support these mechanisms without adding digestive burden close to sleep. This concern is worth addressing directly. The idea that eating before bed automatically causes weight gain is an oversimplification. What determines weight change is total daily caloric intake, not the timing of a specific small snack. High sugar snacks before bed do disrupt insulin and can promote fat storage. But a small protein and fat-rich snack like peanut butter behaves differently. A study from Florida State University found that a small protein-containing nighttime snack of approximately 150 calories did not contribute to fat gain in healthy adults and slightly improved resting metabolic rate by the following morning. The proposed mechanism, when blood sugar crashes overnight, the body interprets this as a mild starvation signal and slows metabolism in response. A small steady fuel source keeps the body in repair and burn mode rather than conservation mode. For adults over 50 managing their weight, 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter before bed is not the concern. The total picture of daily intake is peanut butter on its own works. Paired with the right foods, the blood sugar stability and nutrient delivery can be extended further. The first combination is peanut butter with banana. Banana provide potassium and magnesium, both supporting muscle relaxation and reducing nighttime cramps, alongside a small amount of natural sugar that the peanut butter's fat and protein slow significantly. 1 medium banana with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. The second is peanut butter with whole grain toast. Whole grain bread adds complex carbohydrates and fiber that extend digestion further, feed beneficial gut bacteria, and support serotonin production. This combination is particularly useful for people who exercise regularly and need more overnight fuel for muscle recovery. 1 slice with 1 to 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. The third is peanut butter with apple slices. Apples are high in pectin, a soluble fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria and supports overnight metabolic function. The natural sugar in apple is buffered effectively by the peanut butter's fat and protein. Half an apple with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Light and easy on the stomach when eating close to sleep. All 3 work. Choose based on your preference or rotate through the week. The type of peanut butter matters significantly, and many popular brands undermine the benefits described here. Commercial peanut butter frequently contains added sugar, corn syrup, and partially hydrogenated oils. These ingredients spike blood sugar, increase inflammation, and work directly against the sleep and metabolic goals we have covered. Natural peanut butter should have 2 ingredients, peanuts and optionally salt. That is it. The oil separation you see at the top of natural peanut butter is normal. It is a sign of an unprocessed product. Check the ingredient list rather than the front label marketing. If you see hydrogenated oil, dextrose, or added sugar, choose a different product. If you prefer an alternative, almond butter offers similar benefits with slightly higher magnesium content per serving. Peanut butter before bed is not appropriate for everyone, and a few situations warrant specific attention. If you have a peanut allergy, avoid it entirely. Almond butter or sunflower seed butter provide similar nutritional profiles without the allergen. If you experience acid reflux or GERD, high-fat foods close to bedtime can worsen symptoms by relaxing the lower esophageal sphincter. Start with a very small amount or consult your doctor before making it a regular habit. If you manage type 2 diabetes with medication, A bedtime snack can affect the timing and pattern of overnight blood sugar. This is worth discussing with your healthcare provider before making it consistent. If you are in a controlled calorie deficit for weight management, account for the additional 90 to 190 calories in your daily total. The snack itself will not cause weight gain, but it does add to your caloric intake and should be tracked. For most healthy adults over 50 without these conditions, the risk profile is low and the potential benefits are meaningful. 1 to 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed. This provides approximately 90 to 190 calories, enough to support stable overnight blood sugar, deliver tryptophan for melatonin synthesis, provide protein for muscle repair, and contribute meaningful magnesium without creating digestive burden or heaviness close to sleep. If combining with banana, apple, or toast, 1 tablespoon is sufficient. If eating alone, 2 tablespoons. The 30-minute timing window matters. Eating immediately before lying down does not allow adequate digestion. 30 minutes gives the stomach time to begin processing before you are horizontal. Consistency over time is what produces observable results. 4 to 5 nights per week for 3 to 4 weeks is where most people notice changes. Fewer nighttime awakenings, more stable morning energy, reduced morning stiffness. Your body is doing significant biological work every night. Repairing muscle tissue, stabilizing blood sugar, clearing waste from the brain, preparing hormones for the following day. After 50, all of these processes require more deliberate support than they did in earlier decades. What you eat in the window before sleep is one of the most direct and accessible ways to provide that support. A small amount of natural peanut butter for most adults over 50 is one of the simplest, most affordable, and best supported evening habits available. Low glycemic, protein-containing, a natural source of tryptophan and magnesium, and specific to the overnight physiology of an aging body. If this was useful, share it with someone you know who struggles with sleep or morning stiffness and has not connected it to their overnight nutrition. And if you want more practical, evidence-based health conversations built for adults over 50, subscribe to this channel. We are here every week. Take good care, and I will see you in the next one.